Welcome students, I am Professor Pawar Sri from South Sundarabai Manikarsu Polytechnic Ahmednagar. In the last session we started to learn the topic prepositions of English grammar. So in the last session we saw prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement. In this session we will see the next prepositions. Before that, I told the definition of prepositions in the last session. What is the definition? A word or a group of words used before a noun or a pronoun to show the relationship between two words or two nouns or two pronouns. Five prepositions are used. Prepositions are used to show place, position, time or method of the noun. Let's see the prepositions of a place. Let's see the prepositions of a place. Here, at, on, in are the major prepositions of a place. There are so many prepositions of place, but those three prepositions are main. Where we use at preposition, we use at to show a specific place or position. For example, I am standing at the bus stop. I am standing at the bus stop. Or someone is at the door. Someone is at the door. At here is showing a specific place. Now we are learning the prepositions of a place. So here is a confirm or a specific or a particular place. So at prepositions is used here. Why? Because here is a specific place or a specific position. Where is someone is at the door. So the door is showing specific place or specific position. So at prepositions is used here, or at prepositions is correct here. Next sentence part, they are waiting at the bus stop. Bus stop is also a particular place or a specific place or a specific stop or specific place. So here is at is a correct preposition. At is a correct preposition. Next, in the next sentence, the cat sat on the mat. Here is difference showing. Here is a place. Here is given place, but the cat sat on the mat with touching the surface of the mat. With touching the surface of the mat, the cat sat. So on is correct preposition. On is correct. We will see the difference between on, upon, above, or we will see in the next session. But here is on is a correct preposition. Let's see the next example. The satellite dish is on the roof. Here is also the satellite dish is touching on the roof. With the touching on the roof. So on is correct preposition. On is correct preposition. Next one, the dog is in the garden. Here is also place is showing place of garden. So in here in the garden are large. Here is dog in the garden. Next one, next example, she is in a taxi. Or next example, put it in the box. Put it in the box. Box means box is an enclosed thing. So in is a correct preposition. We will see the difference between in, into in the next session. Let's see the more prepositions of a place. Here we see the difference among at, on and in. At, on and in. Let's see more prepositions. We saw at, the man was standing at the taxi stand. Means specific or for the specific or a particular or a confirmed place we using at preposition. We use at preposition. Next one is he lives in South Africa. He lives in America. we use correct article here in. In is a correct article here. Next example, on the painting was hanging on the wall. On the wall, on touching something. Touching something. Where on is used touching something. For example, the book is on the table. The cat sat on the mat. So there is on is a correct preposition. Another prepositions of a place over. Over means, for example, through the example we learn over the preposition. I put the tablecloth over the table. Over the table. I put the tablecloth over the table. Above means, let's see the next preposition in front of. In front of, there is an example given. The teacher stands in front of the class. In front of, in Marathi we will see for it some more. The teacher stands in front of the class. Next preposition used for the place. The car parking is behind the building. Where is car parking? Behind the building. Patimagi. Behind the building. Or Karan hide himself behind the sofa. Behind the sofa. Then beside, the bank is beside the hotels. Cha bajula. The bank is beside the hotel. For the place we are using various prepositions in various sentences. Next, among. There is a difference between among and between. Among is used more than two persons, more than two things, or between is used between is used for two persons or two things. For example, here is example, I enjoy being among my friends. Among my friends, there are many friends. I enjoy among my friends. Next one, between. I held the pen between my thumbs and fingers. I held the pen between my thumb and fingers. Between is used for the two persons, two things, and among is used for more than two persons, more than two things. For example, we will see the another example. Distribute fruits among the children, and distribute fruits between Minesh and Sachin. Here is a difference between among and between. Let's see the more prepositions of a place. We saw some prepositions of a place, and last topic in that preposition is a prepositions of a time. We are learning the prepositions of a time. There is major prepositions of time: at, on, in. Here is showing. So for a specific time we use at a preposition. We use at as a preposition. At as a preposition. For example, I start work at 7 o'clock to denoting or to showing a specific time. Specific time. When I started the work at a sharp 7 a.m. Then next example, I don't work at night. I never work at night. Here is denoting a specific time. I never work at night. Next, usage of on. We are using on as a prepositions before the days. Before the days means on Monday, on Tuesday, on Saturday. Here is example, my birthday is on Monday. My birthday is on Monday. We are having a party on 7th September. Here is date and here is day. Monday. Before the dates we use on as a preposition. Before the dates we use on as a preposition. Next, for non-specific time we use in as a preposition. For example, she woke up in the night. She woke up in the night. I started this website in 1999. I don't express when I started. It may be January in 1999, February in 1999, March in 1999. Here it's showing only the year. So it is showing non-specific time. Here is showing 1999, showing the non-specific time. So here is in is used as an article. Let's see the more prepositions of a time. We saw at is used before a specific time at 6 o'clock. On is used before days on Sunday. By is used to show the deadline of the work. For example, this project must be earned by the end of the July. It is showing the deadline. It is showing the deadline. Next since means the work started in the past but now still is going. There we use since as a preposition. For example, he is working since April. Since April, the month of April. He is working since the month of April. For next prepositions used for time in. He was present for the seminar in the month of July, or he was standing for the elections in the month of September. Next preposition is during. During is showing also time. For example, he arised the problems during the meeting, or he spoke during the meeting. Next one, during means fine. च्या काळात. During म्हणजे च्या काळात he arised the problem during the meeting. मीटिंगच्या दरम्यान त्याने प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट केला. Then for the group of years we use for, or group of days we use for as a preposition. For example, he worked there for 10 years. He lived there for 2 days. Throughout means whole the month. For the whole the month we use throughout as a preposition. For example, he finished his or he is doing hard work throughout the month of August. Throughout the month of August means in the first date of the August he started to do hard work, and also 31st August he was doing the hard work. So throughout means all month or all days of the month. So those prepositions are used. We saw various types of prepositions in this session. Also in the last session we divided those prepositions in the prepositions of a movement, prepositions of a time, and prepositions of a place. According to the 3 types, we saw the prepositions of time, prepositions of movement, and prepositions of a place. In the next session we will see the comparative study of the prepositions.